In this video, I will be telling you guys how to capture the screen or, screen capture or share your screen to the OBS Studio. Uh, for that, the process is very simple. As you guys can see that right now, my screen is visible to the OBS Studio, also known as Streamlabs. The Streamlab old name was OBS Studio. So right now, the OBS Studio is known as the Streamlabs. So here you guys can see that my screen is visible to the whole capturing feature, and it is very high resolution, capturing 60 frames per second. So once I go down, you will see that there are a bunch of features, a bunch of screens that I have created. But for this evil screen, I have used two different features. For example, the screen capture and the display capture. For the screen capture, it actually captures the whole screen of yours. If you use this feature, it will capture your whole screen. And it also works as layers. If I drag it down or move this thing up, the whole thing will change. So what I have actually done, I have trained the volume of the screen to so that it minimize the bottom taskbar and the above extra things that I don't want to include in my video. It also gives an aesthetic vibe to the video. So if I go to the display capture, so it will, as you guys can see that I have crop it till the 80 pixels. How you guys can include this thing? Simply go to add source button. Here you will see a bunch of features. One of them is that display capture. The other one is screen capture. Otherwise, if you want to capture your game, just simply pause this feature. How do you do that? Just click on display capture and add a source in it, and you will see add a new source instead, add an existing source, and it will say add a new source instead. And I'm gonna name it test, and then click on add source. So capturing method, it is pretty simple. It says either it's gonna be automatic or I'm gonna go ahead and select between what sort of capturing method that I want to use and what I want to not use, and I can force the SDR and I can turn off this feature as well. I can select between different screens, and once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and click a done button, and it will capture the whole screen as you guys can see it now. But I don't want to capture my whole screen, so that is the reason I'm gonna delete this extra screen. And now you guys can see that I'm back to the crop version of my screen. This is how things works. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.